Hey guys, this is called using a calculator to approximate sine, cosine, and tangent values. Remember that sine, cosine, and tangent values are just ratios between the sides of a triangle formed by a particular angle. For example, this one, the first question says, what's the value of the cosine of 25 degrees? And here we have the triangle formed by such an angle. And asking for the cosine is asking for uh, how how many how much greater the hypotenuse is with respect to the adjacent side. So we're going to divide the adjacent by the hypotenuse. In this case, we don't have the values, but the calculator already knows that ratio. The values for these trigonometric functions are very well known. So let's just ask the calculator to give us that value. Remember that you have to have your calculator in degree mode. It says that we what did I do? This is sine. Sorry, I had to put cosine. Yeah, the cosine of this angle is this value. That means that the adjacent is 0.9063 times the hypotenuse. Of course, the hypotenuse is greater than the adjacent side, so yeah, that is the value. 0.9063 rounded up to the nearest 10,000. Be careful with round ups in this exercise. Let's look at the other one. All right. What about the sine of 82 degrees? This is the triangle formed by such an angle. So asking for the sine is asking for the ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse. Let's ask the calculator. Sine of 82 degrees is 0.9902. That means that the opposite side is 0.9902 times the hypotenuse. It is smaller. One thing that you can be sure of, actually this is 9903 due to the roundup to the nearest 10,000. The hypotenuse will always be greater than the sides because the hypotenuse is the whole radius. All right, let's look at the other one, the last one. The tangent of 44 degrees is asking for the proportion, the ratio between the opposite and the adjacent. So let's ask the calculator. Tangent of 44 degrees is this value. That means that the opposite side is 0.9656. This is going to get to 7 times the adjacent. The adjacent is greater in this case. Just a little bit greater. All right, so 0.9657. 99657. Okay, let me check it. Thank God.